he's not ready yet.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Boots! Hold on, there's a spider there. Stay on Rock Island. Sit. Stay there. That's place. Stay. Sit. See him, honey, look.
Yeah, don't make him stay there, honey.
I gotta swim out. Come on, Boots. Come on, swim for it, man.
Daddy.
Come on, Boots. Get back to the island. Boots like, hey, Dad, this is terrible. Come on, Boots, go. Come on. Come on. Come on, swim. Come on, buddy, come on.
Come on, Boots.
He looks cute, doesn't he?
Yeah. Boots, come on, baby. Come on, Boots.
He looks like a rat.
He's gonna come to Mama. Hi, baby.
Back. Give me Dora.
No, don't do that to Dora.
Look at the mud trail behind him. Isn't that cool?
Hi, Boots. You're a good boy. What, honey?
Came off. I can't
Hi.
appreciate that video.
Hey, guys. Hi, Boots. Hi, Dora. Dora's shaking. Hi, Leah.
Boots a good sport.
What did you do, Dad?
Hi, Boots.
Put a little pile of rocks over Danny.
Oh, wow.
I'll give it.
Dog houses were floating.
Will they? Yeah, I'll do a repeat performance for Josh. Here. Watch, this is pretty cool.
Jonas, don't mess with Dora. Leave her alone. Jonas, leave her alone.
Trying to make her sit.
No.
I will try to get on the island.
Be nice to Dora.
I will get on the island. I want to get on the island.
You can go out there.
Sit on Rock Island. Honey, Boots is ready.
Okay. Come on, Boots.
Come on, Boots, let's go.
Come on, Boots.
Get off Rock Island and swim for it. Come on, man. That's so cute.
Yeah. They look like little otters when they're swimming.
He does pretty good swimming, doesn't he?
Yeah. Jonas, don't throw mud.
He's leaving a little mud wake behind him.
Hi, Boots.
I did, Mom. I made it.
Hi. Stop, Jonas. Hi, Boots. All right, honey, don't do it again. That water's cold.
Yeah, I know. Oh, that actually feels nice. I can't be high like Bo Weevil.
Jonas, stop.
That sort of things are on the water.
Can you get this off for me?
Rinse it in the water.
Ow, you're still warm, buddy. Hello. Say hello to Boots.
Hi, Boots. You did good.
Natural swimmer.
He is a good swimmer.
I got you, Boots.
Check him over here.
Jonas, stop.
This is not a beach.
London. Mommy,
What?
can you help me get on the rock island?
Just walk out there, Jonas.
Let me
Fine. He's on terra firma. The water's receding.
understand.
Gazelle.
You can go out
I
there.
like that. I almost like the gazelle thing better than the swimming thing.
Really?
The loping, yeah.
Go on out there, Jonas.
Come on, Spark. You can go out here.
You want Daddy to come get you?
I'll come get you. You can go out here. Come on. And
Sandy, your
What?
coffee pot exploded.
What?
Your coffee pot exploded.
Oh.
Daddy, come to me.
she's the only person who can drink that much coffee here.
Hmm.
Quick, hold hands.
The coffee pot didn't explode. I just had to pee.
That's a lot of food. Shall we hold double hands? Hold hands and two hands. Double hands.
Okay. Where are you going, Dora? You're not going out there, are you?
Dora, you coming? Get Dora, she wants to go.
No. Don't make Dora go out there.
How you doing, Sparker?
Found I just cleaned the kennels yesterday. Did he fall?
No, he didn't fall. It's just because he can't see where he's